friends. It's me, Pinky. Today, we're going to learn 10 wonderful new words. Words help us talk, read, and sing. Are you ready? Let's go! Our first word is happy. Happy means you feel good and smile. Example, I feel happy when I play outside. Show me your biggest happy smile. Next is big. Big means large or tall. Example, the mountain is big. Can you stretch your arms out wide? Now let's learn fast. Fast means moving really quickly. Example, the rabbit runs fast. Pretend to run in place really fast. Here comes cold. Cold means chilly, like ice cream or snow. Example, I wear a jacket when it's cold. Can you shiver like you're cold? Next is jump. Jump means to bounce off the ground. Example, frogs jump really high. Let's jump up one time together. Now we have small. Small means tiny or little. Example, the ladybug is small. Can you make yourself really tiny like a ball? Here's hot. Hot means warm, like the sun or soup. Example, be careful. The stove is hot. Can you fan yourself like you're hot? Next is soft. Soft means smooth and gentle to touch. Example, the kitten's fur is soft. Pretend you're hugging a soft teddy bear. Now we have tall. Tall means something is very high up. Example, the giraffe is tall. Reach your arms way up high. And the last word is funny. Funny means it makes you laugh. Example, that silly joke was funny. Can you giggle with me? You did such an amazing job learning 10 wonderful words today. Let's say them all together one more time. Happy, big, fast, cold, jump, small, hot, soft, we're tall, funny. Great work. Keep using your wonderful words every day. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning with me, Pinky. Bye-bye, word explorers.